like Peter. I like Peter. We like Peter.
Okay. So this is
Peter. Hi. Keywords with Peter and Jane. To be. Have a go.
okay. Let's read.
I like the dog. You.
This one.
I like the dog. You like the dog. You and I like the dog.
Okay, good.
I like trees.
Okay, apa tu trees?
Pokok.
Okay, kalau satu pokok, sebut
Tree.
apa? Okay, kalau ni ada banyak pokok. Trees. Okay.
Trees. You like trees. You and I like trees.
Trees.
Trees. You want toys.
Ada S.
Toys. I want toys. You and I want toys.
Okay, good. One.
Want.
One tu apa?
Nak.
Okay, nak. Mahu. Okay.
You like Peter. I like Peter. We like Peter.
Okay. So this is
Peter.
okay, good.
I like Jane. You like Jane. We like Jane. Jane.
Okay. Cantiknya basikal Cik.
Here are shops.
Ada S.
You.
Here.
Here are shops. We like shops. We like toy shops.
Okay, ni toy shop. Toy shop tu apa?
Kedai mainan.
Okay, pandai.
You can fish. I can fish. We can fish.
Okay, apa maksud you can fish? Awak boleh tangkap ikan.
Saya boleh tangkap ikan.
Kita boleh tangkap ikan. Itu maksud dia. Okay, next.
You want fun. I want fun. This is fun.
Okay, so this is fun. Sekali dia dapat apa?
Shush.
Kasut. Bukan dapat ikan, pakcik ni pun gelap. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.